Hello dear students, in session 9 we are going to discuss about the components of business information system in the chapter first of computer application in business. Learning objective of the chapter is to provide an understanding of business information system, and the session outcomes: the students will be able to understand and explain the components of business information system. Now let us discuss about the components of business information system. See, components means all the tools or the parts of the business information system which are connected to each other and which gives a complete output. Here, the components of business information system can be categorized as operating personnel or operating staff, data, hardware, software, procedures, and networking. Let us discuss each of the components of BIS in detail. The first one is operating personnel. Operating personnel means the users or staff or IT professional who are using or who are operating this. These personnel can be from different perspective, like starting from the IT professional till the users. We have many personnel or staff who are involved in starting from preparing or programming a software till the user's application of software. See, IT professionals or IT specialist means those IT professionals or software engineers who have developed this software. They are software engineers or any other software technicians, like that. So what they do is they give instructions or commands in order to develop a software application. So that is one side of the operating professional or operating personnel. The second type of operating personnel would be the service people or the technicians who are involved in providing services and maintenance to the system. A software have to be maintained on a regular intervals. It may require some service, maintenance, and so on. So in that way, even they are the technician who have got the technical knowledge to assist the user in terms of giving service and maintenance to the software. So the last category of people who are involved here on operating system or operating personnel are people or the final ultimate users. So ultimate users are the customers or consumer who is going to operate it. They are the operating part of the information system. So the given instructions based on the procedure, the users or the consumers would be going to use this software to arrive at some results and for their business operation purpose. So the management people are the users and so on. Next would be data. All of us know that data is nothing but the instructions, commands, or the raw inputs given to the system in an environment. These data is having no clear definite meaning or it is an incomplete in its nature. When the data is fed into the system and after processing the data, it becomes a complete information and it has its meaning. So data is basically raw in nature, and it can be considered as the instructions, commands given to the system. Then here data is again we can say within which all the computers are controlled, and here the sets limit. Here it has its own boundary. System has its own boundary within which all the components are controlled and sets its limit to the system. So it separates the one system from the other system. Next is hardware. Hardware means machine, and whatever the physically appearing machine which is called as hardware. Hardware cannot perform without the support of software. So it is the software which converts or we can say processes the data into the information. So all these components are interlinked, and that's why in the previous sessions when we were discussing, we discussed about the features in a very elaborate way, that interrelationship is there, interconnectivity, interconnection between the components. So data is fed, hardware will convert and processes the data, and the processed data becomes information. So hardware is the machine or the parts of the machine where input is given. So examples of hardware, whatever the computer system or system or desktop, what do you say, the physically visible parts, keyboard, mouse, CPU, all these are the part of machine and which is called as hardware. Next is software. Software is nothing but the instructions given and whatever the output. So software engineers would be developing the software to arrive at some results. So instructions, commands are given to develop the software program, and this software program which will be used as a application software for the management purpose. Here we have a system software and operating software. When once the system software is ready, operating software will be used for management decision making. Then coming to procedures, process or procedures. Here process are nothing but the sequential steps followed in a system or in a business information system. What are those procedure and process? Here what is we discussed was data is fed into the system machine. These here the inputs, procedure, there is a procedure where these inputs will be processed. So this is doing the job or the work or the steps one by one or step by step procedures to be followed is called procedure. Next is networking. So networking means a system software finally will be arrived, or we can say it is ready for usage when we have a networking in the system. So networking is internet connectivity, or it can be Wi-Fi or LAN, WAN, whatever you say. These are all the networking which is required for the operation of the business information system. So these are all the different components of the business information system. And then we have some multiple choice questions which are the components of BIS. There are hardware, software, operating staff, data procedure networking. All these just now we discussed are the components of BIS. So all of the above is the answer. Second question, operating personnel supports the operation of system security, peripheral services, all of the above. So all of the above is the answer. Which of the following is incorrect? Data means the collection of facts, yes, and data represents, yes, this is also, second one is also correct, third option is also correct. Which is incorrect? Fourth option, data are the results of processing of the information. No, information is the results of processing the data. So fourth is a wrong one. Next, fourth multiple choice question, important components of the hardware, CPU, input, output device. All these are the correct. So all of the above is the answer. Which of the following is a type of procedure required to operate? All of the above. Uses instruction for input preparation, operating instructions. So all of the above is the answer. So these are all the references. Thank you.